Listening practice. Exercise 1. Listen to track 11 about the short future and repeat the reading out loud. I will study English tomorrow. You will learn in the morning. He will never read texts with classmates. She will listen to audios in English later. They will go to the English class in 2 days. We will practice English online. The class will help me to improve. I will do homework because it will be important in the future. I won't cut hair. You won't cook sushi with friends. You won't text during class. She won't sing pop songs because she won't have time. They won't go to the park at night. We won't study Spanish downtown. The computer won't work tomorrow.